AWS IAM provides MFA capabilities to its users. MFA provides an additional layer of security and must be enabled wherever possible. An attacker would not be able to log into an account even if they had the password, as the account would require an MFA token to complete the login process. In this video, we will see how to enable MFA for an IAM user using AWS CLI. To enable MFA for a user in IAM, make sure you have the permission to do so. If not, contact the authorized team member who will be able to set up the MFA for the given user. In your terminal where AWS CLI has been set up, run IAM create virtual MFA device command along with the parameters shown here to create a virtual MFA device for the user. Here we will generate a QR code that will be scanned to set up the MFA device. Save the serial number that is generated. Use an app like Google Authenticator to scan the QR code that we have generated and obtain two consecutive passcodes generated by the MFA virtual device. Now run IAM enable MFA device command. Provide the serial number generated from previous command and the two consecutive passcodes in the parameters as shown here. This will assign the virtual MFA device to the user. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos on cloud security.